In this video, I will show you how to update N8N Cloud. You might be getting the message that a new update is available when you log into your N8N account. This is the cloud version, and whatever version is available, you have to manually change it. Look towards the left-hand side panel and scroll down to the bottom, where you'll see the option labeled What's New. Click on it to expand and you'll notice the update option there. It will say something like 2 versions behind. Once you click the update button, it will take you directly to the admin panel. Keep in mind that this option is only available in the cloud version. If you're using the self-hosted community edition, you won't find it here. In that case, you would need to update manually through PowerShell. But for now, let's focus on the cloud version. Inside the dashboard, head over to Settings, and there you'll see the N8N version currently running. In this example, the version is 11092. You'll also see the available updates listed. At the moment, 2 versions are available, the latest stable version, which is 11110, and the latest beta version, which is 11120. I'll be going with the latest stable release. Once I select it, I'll simply save the changes. A confirmation prompt appears reminding me that the workspace will require a restart. This means that whatever flows are currently running will temporarily stop while the restart takes place. I'll confirm the action, and then it shows that the changes have been successfully triggered and the workspace is restarting. During the restart, you won't be able to log into the workspace, and you'll see a message saying that it is currently applying changes. After a short while, it will display that the workspace is now online. In case there's any problem, you'll also have the option to restart your workspace manually. Once it's back online, I'll return to the dashboard and open my workspace. Now, on the left side under Help, you'll notice that no update notification is shown anymore. If I click on About N8N, it confirms the version is now 11110. And that's it. Thanks for watching.